What are you doing?
Watching the stabbing.
Again?
No, getting on video. Without the glare. Like, here comes me and Paula being drunk, like, hey.
I saw it that one night.
Yeah.
I don't understand why the camera in the showroom is like so far back. Like it could be in a better spot.
It's just because it's against the window. Alright, so there goes me and Paula. I'm grabbing my bag. And they're gonna fake fight for a while.
Yeah, they like go into the other room.
Yeah. I'm ready to go, pushing chairs, my mom bears now. My mom bears now. Alright, they go in there.
Stros, bro.
Here's me. Hey Paula, let's go to Taco Bell. Can we go to Taco Bell already? Go back in the other room.
Does Paula think that this is fucked up comment too?
No.
She's just like whatever, we were goofing around.
Yeah, she's playing devil's advocate. All I know is I was in a bad mood and I didn't want to be fucked with.
I love how you run over to your bag, you're just like, I got a fucking knife. Pull it out.
Not even yet, though. At this point, I'm like, can we go to Taco Bell already? Like, I'm still standing by the jukebox, minding my own business, trying to leave. Like, look at me, I'm, like, lonely over there. And then he, like, bear hugs me and does this, like, thing. Bear hugs me. Bear hugs me. Does the slam against the wall. And I think that's where I called him a nigger and spit on him. Like, after that, because then all of a sudden he's pissed. Like, before it was kind of playful, and now he's mad. And you can see my arm go up in defense. Like, there's my arm. Ooh, don't hurt me. And he kind of swings me around and knocks my bag off my back. It's really hard to see, though. But you see my bag go off my back, and eventually I go to the bag, and that's when the knife comes out. So I'm over there like, oh, don't hurt me. Sorry I spit on you and called you a nigger. Which was out of line.
Have you talked to him?
No, not yet. I need to apologize. Okay, so he's swinging me around. There goes my bag on the floor. This is when I reach down and grab my knife. You see me walk back a couple steps. Back, back, back. Grabs me. Bam! Knocks me out.